Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see some facts about foxes. Yes, shall we go? Number 1. Foxes are mammal group. Number 2. Foxes have vertical pupils similar to a cat. Wow, that's helping them to see well at night. Number 3. Foxes dig underground dens where they take care of their kids and hide from predators. Wow. Number 4. The tip of a red fox's tail is white, whereas swift foxes have a black tipped tail. Number 5. Foxes have excellent hearing. Red foxes can reportedly hear a watch ticking sound from 40 yards away. Oh, this is really wow! Who are all like these cute foxes? If you are like this one, then hit a like button to this video. Yes, very good. Thanks to watch kiddies, and do subscribe for more drawings with some informations. Bye bye.